So cute. Come on, baby. Let's go. There's nothing you could do that. The squirrel. Ruby, come on. Don't tell me you find another squirrel. I'm gonna do that. Yan. Yan, malapit na matapos ang commercial building. Ah. Ay, may yan ang squirrel, guys. Look at. Uh-huh. Ang cute, ang cute, ang cute, ang cute. It's so amazing. Uh-huh. Yeah. Ayan, wala na. Yeah. Continue na kaya mag-walk. Yeah. Oh, that's a big dog.
But Grandma's like, we're just gonna sightsee. That's so funny. He was the one being protected. Yes. Stay behind.
Oh, let them go.
By the way, that's a great idea. Thank you for mentioning. We're gone.
There's a lot of people walking right now. Boy, what did you eat? Oh my God, that's a dragonfly, guys. Oh my God, Ruby. Look at the dragonfly, guys. Oh, feel bad. So it's yellowing now. Look at the color. Kapitbahay USA. Hello, Sisi. Sis. Have fun. Sis, Miss Imelda. Thank you, sis. Kapitbahay USA. Merna Norris. Ooh. It's changing already the leaves here, guys. It's be changing. Thank you. Kapitbahay USA. Ayan, here's my dog. Ayan, the commercial building is almost really done. Ayan, oh, the leaves is changing already, ready for fall. Ayan. Saka, ayun, yung commercial building malapit na matapos. I don't know when is the open house. Ayan. Oh, their dog is not. Very disciplined. And guys, the commercial building is almost done. Ayan. They're finishing the roof. See? These are the commercial building. Ayan. Ayan, malapit na talaga siya, guys. See how pretty. Is the